Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. First, we are going to have a look at this beautiful bag. Is it the most iconic bag in the world? Is it the most popular? Does it have the best resale value? I don't know. I think Hermes probably are a little bit better than this, but I have to say, one does not have a handbag collection without a Chanel classic flap. That's right, guys. Okay, here she is. She's absolutely beautiful. It is the Chanel classic flap in the size 25. This is in the smooth lambskin. I hear you gasp in the background. I know, guys, I know. A lot of people recommend getting the caviar leather, so the textured leather when it comes to these bags, because the lambskin is so delicate and it scratches very easily. And I get that, I understand that. My reasoning is that I have a few other Chanel bags that have the caviar leather, like this one here. I've actually attached a pearl strap to this that I bought somewhere else. So if you guys are interested, just let me know. So I didn't want the same finish, and I really think the lambskin looks really beautiful. But anyway, I just think, I mean, what a classic bag. This is in the size 25. The hardware is gold, shiny hardware. The inside, I mean, it's even smooth leather on the inside. When you pull up the double flap, you see this burgundy, deep burgundy lining. There is the pocket at the front, and there is the pocket in the middle with the two slip pockets and the lipstick pocket as well. Quite dark in there, guys, so I'll have to give you guys some close-up so you can have a look. Here there is a zipper protector, which I will take off. Absolutely beautiful. And this little compartment was for Coco Chanel's love letters. Very iconic. Absolutely beautiful little bag, guys. And the back, there is the compartment here that holds a little card or something like that. And then the hardware, this chain is gorgeous. The camera doesn't do it justice. The color of the hardware is absolutely spot on. This chain is weighty. It's made super well. It's super refined and detailed. There's also back stitching where the leather runs out, which is very true. And then you've got the quilting going all the way around as well as underneath. And underneath and on the sides is not puffy. And then the front and the back is puffy. You guys that know about Chanel bags know that there is this double strap situation. So this can be worn on the shoulder, which you guys will see me wear. And I deliberately chose this jacket, or a lighter jacket, because I wanted you guys to see the bag. And I didn't want to be wearing black and then it'll be too hard to see. So this strap is a double strap. You can also feed it through so that it's a single strap. You can sort of see there, it sort of feeds through. And then what you do is you do this, and then you can wear it crossbody. I think it'll be quite a short crossbody, or a very long shoulder strap. Absolutely beautiful. The weight of these straps is just stunning. And this is a really beautiful everyday size, this size 26. I'm pulling it back towards me so that you can kind of see how big it is. You'll see in the mod shots as well how big this bag is against my frame. Really great everyday bag. Just even the smell of the leather, I can smell it from here. It's just beautiful. All the stitching, you know, the work is super refined and super detailed. There is not a stitch out of place. What I really love about the lambskin, and which is what I noticed and what sort of changed my mind to get the lambskin versus the caviar leather, was that the caviar leather has a stitch here on the caviar version. I'm not sure why, maybe something to do with the leather, I don't know. However, And there is a big however. I've recently seen on their site today that they have the new version of this bag. So I think it's the sizing is slightly different, but what I did also see is that the caviar leather version did not have a stitch here, which I probably would have swayed my mind and I probably would have gotten that one. However, you do notice that they are a little bit different. Having the stitch here and not having the stitch here, I find that when the stitch is here, it looks a little bit more bulky and a little bit heavier on the eye because there's a line that runs across, sort of on the curve. But you know what? I think this is an absolutely stunning, stunning bag. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I wish you the best of luck. I think everybody, every girl needs one of these in her wardrobe, in her bag collection, for it to be complete, really. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.